Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short summary of the poem Off to Outer Space Tomorrow Morning. This poem is written by Norman Nicholson. In this poem, the poet describes the situation and emotions that one who feels before his adventurous work or space travel. Everything was ready for his space voyage. If we had lost, look at him. After the countdown, he requests his friends to strike his name from the telephone book. There won't be any difference between day and night in the space. So calendars and clocks are useless there. There will not be any changes of seasons. He will sleep when he feels sleepy. The poet won't be writing any letters. There is none to visit in space. It will be like imprisonment for him. In space, there is no gravitational pull. Teacups will circle around him like planets around the sun. The people on Earth have a day and night, but in space there is no day and night, so calendars and clocks are useless there. The poet won't be waiting for the night to come. He will sleep when he feels sleepy. There will not be much change of seasons, and the poet won't be writing any letters to Earth. There is none to visit in space. All the morning cups and tea will circle round him like planets around the sun. The people on Earth can watch him through telescope or cameras, but he doesn't have time to think about us. When the rockets move across galaxies by the power of propeller, everyone on Earth would be angry as they didn't get a chance.